Hello and welcome to the Maharashtra Brief, where we bring you a wrap on the day's top news stories out of Maharashtra and especially Mumbai, the financial capital. This is a show that you're watching on NDTV's YouTube platform, and do stay tuned to this space for all the latest from Mumbai and Maharashtra. Today, our top story is, of course, what we are seeing across the state, or at least in several parts of the state: waterlogging and floods. Farmers are complaining, crop damage is something that they're worried about, and even urban spaces, because of the heavy rain, are seeing the effects of flooding or waterlogging that's hampering normal life, businesses, and eventually growth and other aspects of life due to this phenomenon of very heavy rainfall days causing flooding in several parts of Maharashtra. My colleague Revati Hingwe has this report.
Rains have created a wreak havoc in different regions of Maharashtra, especially in Marathwada and Western Maharashtra region. If we look at the situation in Marathwada region for last 2 to 3 days, there has been waterlogging in almost every part of Marathwada. Also, many villages have lost their contact with other villages. Also, there are no fatalities reported, but the situation is worse than we can imagine, because there's a flood-like situation in many parts of Marathwada. Also, the most saddest part of all this thing is that the crops that were about to get yield are damaged by this all wreck havoc created by the rains. For the last 2 to 3 days, there are heavy rainfall, heavy downpour in almost every part of Maharashtra, prominently in Marathwada and Western Maharashtra region. Around 3.5 lakh hectares of farms are damaged due to these rainfalls. Also, this year, for the very first time, the biggest dam in Marathwada region, Jaikwadi Dam, the 27 doors of that very dam are open, and out of those 27 doors, there are 9 doors which are emergency doors. So imagine the situation there right now, that the rains have literally created a wreck havoc. Now, considering the situation in Western Maharashtra, in Pune city, there has also been incidents reported about waterlogging in different parts of Pune city. Revati Hingwe reporting for NDTV 24/7 Pune.
And the next big story on the Maharashtra Brief is, of course, what's been going on with Pooja Khedkar. Remember, there was this officer whose name had featured because of alleged fraud in the documents that were used by her. Now, there is another shocking revelation that involves her family. And this is, of course, a story that continues to put question marks on how errant people manage to manipulate the system and also use undue influence for what can clearly be termed as criminal activity. My colleague Paras Tama has more on this story.
The controversial Khedkar family is in trouble again, and in this time they are in trouble because of a small accident which happened in Navi Mumbai's Rabale. This whole incident took place at Rabale on 13th September at 7:15 p.m. when a car was driven by the Khedkar family person and a bodyguard. At that time, the car hit a truck, and over there, the argument between the truck driver, the truck helper, and the father of Pooja Khedkar, who was traveling in the car, and the bodyguard of Pooja Khedkar father started. In this entire incident, it has been said in the FIR, which was registered by the owner of the truck, that the helper Prahlad Kumar was kidnapped by the father of Pooja Khedkar and bodyguard and was taken to Pune, the residence of Manorama Khedkar, Pooja Khedkar and his father. Over there, it has been now claimed by Pune police that dogs were set free to scare police officer that they can't investigate the whole matter. Now in this entire matter, there are 2 FIR. One FIR has been registered in Rabale, second in Pune. Now Rabale police has taken action, and Rabale police has formed 3 teams, and 3 teams are looking for 3 persons: Manorama Khetkar, Pooja Khetkar, mother, father, and the bodyguard of Khetkar family. So it will be very interesting to see how this whole matter will go in this entire situation. Rabale police also summoned Manorama Khetkar, Pooja Khetkar mother in this entire case, but she has not appeared. They, Pooja Khetkar's mother, father and bodyguard, they all 3 are not reachable, and that's why 3 teams has been formed by Rabale police, and further investigation is on in this entire matter. With cameraman Praveen Rohit, Parasdama for NDTV.
Thank you so much for watching the Maharashtra Brief. We'll be back every day with the top news developments from Mumbai and Maharashtra. Stay tuned to NDTV's YouTube platform and watch this space for daily updates on the news developments in Mumbai and Maharashtra. Thank you so much for watching.